Hi all, welcome to the another session of Finance Guru. In my last session, I have explained you about the financial statement. That means trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now, it's a continuation of trading account. Why the companies are preparing trading account? What and all items we have to include in trading account? And what is the benefit of trading account? This information only I'm going to explain you in this session. So before starting the trading account, I have to inform you two important things. That is very important. First one is direct expenses and next one is indirect expenses. That is very important in the case of a company, direct expenses and indirect expenses. What is the meaning of direct expenses? In the name itself, we can understand that what and all coming under direct expenses. Directly, the company is spending. When the company will spend directly, at the initial stage, I mean the production stage or the manufacturing time, what and all the company is spending, that is coming under trading account. For example, before selling the goods, production area, that is very important before selling the goods, right? In factory, what and all expenses are occurred in the case of manufacturing. So that is very important for the company. For example, in a company, that company is producing some goods for selling. So before the production, the company need to purchase the raw materials and the company need to spend many other expenses for bringing the raw materials and to give the wages and to give the other royalty or something is there to bringing the goods from other state or other country. So that is very important. So what is the meaning of direct expenses? The expenses that is spending by the company before selling of the goods. That means in factory itself. So factory means we know that all the manufacturing and production procedures are doing by the factory. So in factory, what and all expenses incurred, that is coming under direct expenses. So that means before selling, what and all the company need to face or what and all the company need to spend the money, that is known as direct expenses. Now, what is the meaning of indirect expenses? So that is totally different. So indirect means after sales. It is ready to sell the goods. After the production, the company is ready to sell the goods. So after production, if once production is completed, the company what they will do? They will be ready to sell these goods to the market. So after production, when the company is ready to sell the goods, that time it. Now, what is the meaning of indirect expenses? Indirect expenses, the name itself is suggesting that indirectly the company is spending. That means once this production or the manufacturing process completed, the company is ready to sell the goods. So, from the factory, the company is taking goods to market. So once the production completed, immediately what will started? The indirect expenses will be started. So I told you direct expenses will come only under trading account. Indirect expenses will come under profit and loss account. Why? What is this reason? Because direct expenses occurred only in the factory. So all the factory expenses where it will come only on trading account. And once the manufacturing process completed, the company is ready to sell the goods. That time itself, all the expenses coming under only on profit and loss account. That means it's known as indirect expenses. Now, what and all coming under indirect expenses? Mainly two expenses are very important that is coming under indirect expenses. First one is administrative expenses and the next one is selling and distribution expenses. What is the meaning of administrative expenses? Salary paid, rent paid and commission paid and postage, telegram, stationery, this and all coming under administrative expenses. Then, what is selling and distribution? It's completely based on the sales. So, advertisement, sales and promotion, selling expenses, and other related with the advertisement, all coming under sales and distribution expenses. So, these two expenses are very important: administrative expenses and selling and distribution expenses. Both are coming under indirect expenses. Now, you can understand the difference between direct expenses and indirect expenses. In my last session, I had told you what and all coming under trading account. So, both debit and credit side, both are important in the case of trading account. What and all items coming under debit side of the trading account. So, I told you debit side always starting with the opening stock. Why? Because the last year's closing stock will be next year's opening stock. So, whenever the trading account prepared by a company, it's starting with the opening stock. So, opening stock, purchases, carriage inward, wages, if any royalties there. So factory, based on factory, what and all expense coming, everything is coming under debit side of the trading account. So now, next credit side of the trading account. What and all items will come? Credit side of the trading account. Closing stock and sales. This both important items coming under credit side of the trading account. So now you can understand the small format of trading account. Now next question is, why is the company is preparing trading account? What is the benefit of that? So the company is preparing the trading account only to find out the gross profit or gross loss. How much profit they acquired, or how much, if any loss is there, how much loss they incurred. This information is very relevant, very important for the company, because manufacturing cost or production cost is very important. So each and every company, what they are thinking, how to reduce the production cost, and through that way how can they attain more profit, or how can they achieve more profit. So to reduce maximum production cost, it is very important to prepare the trading account. So the result will be either gross profit or gross loss. So after that, the management can understand the efficiency of the company, how much they can reduce the production cost, or how much gross profit they earned at a particular year. So that is why trading account is very important. And not only this, apart from that, the company can get a clear-cut information. What is the financial stability of the company? So the management is eagerly waiting to get the financial information or the financial stability of the company, how they can stable to continue the business, or what and all they have to take care while the production process. So all the informations are very relevant. For that purpose only, the company is preparing the trading account. We know that the decision making power, the decision making, how much or how the decision making is very important for the company. We know that each and every decision should be very relevant. It's very important to take the future plannings. So to take the proper decision, or while making the decision process, the company need to get the exact financial information. That is very important. So for that purpose, how much gross profit the company earned, or how much net profit the company earned, or what is the balance sheet status, everything is very relevant for the company. For that purpose, financial statement have a great role in each and every company. So I hope this session is beneficial for you. In my next session, I'll explain clearly about the profit and loss account. So next session we can meet again. Till then, bye.